You're an adult now, which means there's no rewind button. If your paycheck stops next month, nobody steps in, no safety net drops from the ceiling, no backup plan appears. That's not pessimism, that's the system. For most of human history, adults had redundancy, family land, extended households, local work. If one thing broke, something else caught you. Modern adulthood is different. It's streamlined, efficient, optimized, and dangerously thin. Here's why this matters right now. Most adults today run on a single income stream. One job, one salary, one direct deposit. Miss it twice, and the math turns ugly fast. Rent doesn't pause. Insurance doesn't wait. Debt doesn't care about context. The system looks stable when everything works. That's the illusion. Let's break down how it actually functions. You trade time for money. That money immediately gets pre-spent. Housing, transport, healthcare, subscriptions you forgot you had. What's left is called savings, but for millions of people, that number is functionally zero. Not $0, zero time. Because savings isn't money, it's time you've already bought in advance, and most adults have less than 3 months of it. Now comes the uncomfortable math. Modern life increased fixed costs faster than incomes. Housing outpaced wages. Healthcare outpaced inflation. Education turned into long-term debt instead of a one-time investment. So the margin disappeared. High earners feel this too, sometimes more. Six-figure income, expensive lifestyle, same fragility, just dressed better. Lose the job and the fall is steeper. The hype says adulthood is about independence, financial freedom, multiple streams of income. Reality is quieter. Most people don't have backup plans. They have assumptions. Assumptions that layoffs are rare, that health issues are temporary, that help will arrive before the clock runs out. But fragile systems don't fail slowly, they snap. A company cuts costs, a market tightens, one medical bill lands wrong, and suddenly adulthood isn't a stage of life, it's a countdown. Zoom out, and this isn't just personal risk, it's systemic. An economy built on constant participation can't tolerate pauses. But humans aren't machines. They break, they age, they get unlucky. So here's the quiet question we avoid asking. If most adults have no real backup plan, what exactly is holding the whole thing together?